Hey all, I'm Shampa. Welcome and welcome back to my channel A Thousand Little Miracles. It is a beautiful morning and I'm spending time with me beside my favorite window garden. As a beginner, I'm trying to draw a cute and easy illustration today. I hope you will like it. I have done. Isn't it pretty cute? Now it's evening and I decided to color the illustration. I have decided to use Dom's brush pen today. This is the first time I'm using this. Enjoy the video. I made some mistakes while coloring it. I couldn't spread the color properly and mix the color. This is not same as watercolor. I think I should practice more with brush pens. But I tried to manage it. If you have any suggestions, please comment below. I really want to improve. So that's it for this video. I just really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Please interact with a like or comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon for further notification. Your support will be very much appreciated. I will see you guys in my next video. Until take care. I hope you have a very blessed day.